Hey guys, how's it going? I'm trying something new today. I don't know how I feel about the bright hot pink lipstick. I'm on the fence. It could be cute, it could be terrible. I don't know yet. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm super excited today. Got a notification that my package was delivered, and here it is. It's the FabFitFun Editors box. This is their spring editors box. They have a seasonal box, so winter, spring, summer, fall, they have one of those. But then in between, they kind of pick out products from the box and then they'll add them into an editor's box. And I was liking the look of the editor's box, so I decided to get one. I used a code, I ended up getting it for $39.99, which I didn't think was too terrible. And I don't really want to wait to go through the stuff in here, so we're just gonna get going. So they have what's in the box. There is a coupon code for you to get $10 off if you want your own box. So I will leave it in the description bar for you if you're interested. So it comes with this cute little booklet magazine, newspapery type thing. So it's like a little magazine they include. It just has some fun little information in there. There's a cute little sticker on here and I'm just ready to tear it open. Okay, so I'm just grabbing the very first thing that's on top here. Now you could customize this box a little bit. If you have an annual membership, you can actually, there were 4 items you could pick that you wanted. Otherwise, you got to pick from 2. And one of the 2 I got to customize was this. These are bath bombs. You got the choice of bath bombs or a hot cold pack. I chose the bath bombs, but I don't really know why. I think I just haven't had a bath bomb before and I thought it'd be fun. There are 4 bath bombs in here. I don't know what the scents are, so I'm thinking let's just open it up and find out. Ooh-wee, that is fragranced. Oh, ha 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 ha, there are the scents right there. So there's red rose, grapefruit and mandarin, French lavender, and fig and white peach. Wow, all of those sound awesome, especially the French lavender. I am a huge fan of French lavender. So the grapefruit and mandarin is energized. Oh wow, that smells good. The good vibes is red rose. Oh, that smells good too. And I don't even like the smell of rose, and I like the smell of that. Fig and white peach is wellness, which again smells amazing. And then French lavender. Oh, my favorite. I love French lavender. I'm happy with my customization on that one. Again, I've never had a bath bomb. I'm really excited to try these out, and they all smell amazing and feel super luxurious and whatnot, so I'm on board with that one. Next item I see here was one I could not customize. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Leave Your Mark eyeshadow palette. Of course I'm gonna open it up, because why not? Oh, the packaging is super cute. It's kind of got like a leathery feel to it on the outside here. And it is hot pink on the inside. And I am, of course, going to swatch the colors. This is Respect. This was in the corner. Oh, wow. That felt nice. Super smooth. Next to that is Shake It Off. Wow. That's super nice too. And then I'm gonna swatch the highlighter, which is in the shade Love, because I wanna. That actually feels really nice. It's kind of like got a nice little creamy feel to it. And that's very pretty. That is like a perfect subtle highlight for me. All right. So this retails for $30. That's not bad. I actually got rid of one of my Double Duty Beauty palettes. I'd had it for a while. And I just didn't use it. I didn't find the shades to be super blendable or creamy for me. But these feel way better than those ever did. I am excited about this. This is like the perfect everyday type palette for me. Starting off pretty nicely here, FabFitFun. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the bath bombs retailed for $16. So right now we're at $46 and I only paid $39 for this box. I've already made my money back and we have just started. So next thing I see here, the Daily Concepts hair wrap towel. So just place around head with hair inside, twist and secure with button for quick hands-free drying experience. Well, that's nice. It's like those Turby twists that came out, decades ago. But this is something I will use. It always drives me nuts when my body is left cold because I have to use my towel for my hair. So I'm happy that I have something like this and I'm gonna give it a shot. It can't be too bad, I would imagine, right? The towel retails for $18. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, so I see this box in here and it is calling to me and I know this little bad boy is expensive. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. I have been looking at this guy in like the little mini section every time I check out at Sephora, and I've been debating if I want to get it. Really happy I haven't bought it yet now. This one retails for $75. This is full size. Kate Somerville. $75. Oh. So you apply a thin, even layer to clean wet face, massaging in circular motions for 30 seconds and leave on for up to 2 minutes. Does anybody else find this ridiculous that this little bottle of crap retails for $75? I think that's a little asinine. But that's all right. I didn't pay that much for it. I don't hate it. This uses chemical and physical exfoliation to improve the appearance of skin texture and pores while brightening and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. My only fine lines really are like underneath my eye, and you can't really use stuff like this by your eye, but I'll still use it to help with the pore situation. Okie dokie. Another full-size item of something that I actually used. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Conditioning Mask. I've gotten millions of these in like little sample sizes in Sephora Plays and stuff like that. I've never had the full size, and I wouldn't have bought it because I don't want to pay $30 for a hair mask. But guys, $30! And I love the way this stuff smells. It smells amazing. Oh, safety seal. That's awesome. Happy about that. Well, I'm not going to open it and sniff it. I have a little bit more I have to use in one of my sample sizes, and then I will switch over to this big boy. But $30 for that. I can't complain. We're getting down to the wire. Only a few left. And here we have a mug. This adorable mug from Aisha Curry that says, "I'd rather be in bed." Of course. This is adorable. I think this is really cute. I will say you might have to worry about putting in the dishwasher. This probably will come off. It's kind of got a weird feeling to it. It's one of those like decal-y type feelings, so I think that would just easily come off in the dishwasher. So you're probably going to want to hand wash this. I'm totally going to take this to work with me, and this is going to be my work mug. So excited. The mug retails for $16, which is about average, I would think, for a mug that size made by a designer. So next is probably what I am most excited about. The Free People Sleeping Mask. I saw people getting this in their spring FabFitFuns, and I got super jelly, and I wanted one for myself because it looked amazeballs. And I looked online and they were $40. And I said, oh hell no, I am not paying $40 for an eye mask. But when I saw the editor's box come out and it had some of these little nice goodies in there, I saw that it had the Free People mask. And to me that made it all worth it. Basically the box was the price of this Free People mask, and I got Kate Somerville and Tarte and Briogeo and all that business for free. But this looks beautiful. It's made with vegan leather. It's just so nice feeling here. And guys, it's leather. This is totally gonna block out any sort of light that may filter in through your room. I need one of these. I go to bed before my husband, and then he tends to come in and turn on the TV and wake me up and make me angry. So this will definitely help with that. It also has a cooling insert on the inside that you can put in the freezer for like 5 to 10 minutes and put this over to give your eyes some nice relief. And it does have an adjustable strap that is also stretchy on the back here, so it can fit anybody's head. I'm not gonna put it on right now because otherwise I'll just get makeup all over it, but this is being used tonight. 100% a win for me. All right, I'm down to the last item. And this is the second thing I could customize in my box. I chose the Summer and Rose striped tote. I thought this was like a super cute summery bag. You know, we're going to the pool or going to the beach or something like that. This is one of those nice little carry-alls. It's got these adorable rope handles. Some nice leather work, keeping those in there. It's like a canvas bag. And the inside is lined. If you have maybe like a bathing suit or something, it won't seep through the canvas. That's why I'm calling this my beach tote. We go to the water park a couple times in the summer usually. So this will be my water park bag. But this bag retails for $54. $54. And it also has pockets in here if you want to organize your stuffs. It is now time to tally up all the wonderfulness that came in this FabFitFun box. So again, I paid $39.99. I had a coupon code that gave me money off. Retail value of my box was $279. That's awesome. That's a great value. I paid $39 and I got $279 worth of product. And all of this is useful to me, especially this guy. The mug is coming with me to work tomorrow. The hair wrap is going to be used after my shower tonight. I'm going to use the exfoliator for funsies. But guys, this is insane. I'm going to leave the information for FabFitFun down below if you're interested at all. I think as of right now, you can still get the editor's box, but that's until they sell out, so don't hold me to any of this. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the FabFitFun Spring Editor's Box. I know I did. I'm super thrilled with everything. I'm very impressed. I actually might end up keeping this for the summer and see what the summer box brings me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, night, wherever, whenever you are. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button before you leave to keep seeing my content. I appreciate you sticking around. I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.